Thank you very much, the members of the media, for being here this afternoon for this briefing with regards to tropical cyclone Winston. That we all know is actually making a turnaround from Tonga, and now is heading back to Fiji. On that line, I think it's proper that from the National Disaster Management Office, on behalf of government, is to warn the nation and to alert the nation of the upcoming disaster cyclone system that is actually moving towards Fiji. And it is important to warn the nation that this is a big one. It is not a small one. It is something similar, perhaps, to the one that hit Vanuatu last year. As we know, the Category 4 tropical cyclone Winston is actually gathering intensity. Don't be surprised if by tomorrow it's been named as a Category 5 tropical cyclone hurricane. So along that line, it's proper for us here at the National Disaster Management Office to warn the nation, all the islands in Fiji and all the communities in Fiji to be prepared. Even though the track, as has been forecasted by the Fiji Met Office in Nandi, is actually moving towards Lakemba, and you would be expecting the people, the communities from the Lau group, the northern Lau group, the Lakemba area, and also the southern Lau group to feel the strong winds and the gale force winds that are actually will be experienced by them. The rest of this side of Fiji, especially towards Lomaiviti, also Kandavu, and the eastern parts of Itilegu, including southern parts of Itilegu like Asia and Suva. We should not be complacent. By now, we still have a few more hours before daylight. It's a high time. If there are people who are still not being prepared, this is the time for them to be prepared. We have also sent out advisories in terms of people who are living in coastal areas. There should be expectation of storm surges and tidal waves to actually sweep some of our coastal areas. For those who are habitual in this type of event, they should also be prepared while still on daylight, for preparation for them to move. This is especially for those people in the Lau group, the areas like Nayau that have been habituated with tidal waves before. And also, we'd like to inform the nation that there will be a lot of rain. It's a lot of heavy rain. This is the forecast by our Fiji Met in Nandi, and it is important for those who are living in low-lying areas for them to, to secure their places, to make sure that if they are often being affected by flood, then it would be proper for them to move. We would be expecting a very busy weekend. It is going to be a very challenging weekend for us in terms of tropical cyclone Winston, and we would like everybody to be alert and to be prepared. And if everything goes according to plan, and especially with our communities heeding our advice, then we should be expecting very little, if no casualty at all in this event that is now in front of us. We would also like to advise, especially people who are, again, around the coast, fishermen, this is not the time to go to fish. And for those who have small ponds, it's about time that they now bring up their ponds or their small boats on land, tie them properly, and ensure that they are not in the waters, because if they are tied, it can be easily being taken out into the sea, or even battered wherever they are being anchored. So for that particular exercise, it would be better for them to bring them on land rather than they're in the sea. Also, we'd like to advise our farmers, especially livestock farmers, because of the impending flooding that we will be having. Those who are living in low-lying areas where the animals are grazing, while we still have daylight, it's time to move now. Move these animals up to the highlands. We would expect everybody now, because this is not the first time that we have had this in Fiji. Houses, they should now already being secured, and those who are not in strong houses, we would expect them to know their nearest evacuation centers, and also to move there when the need arises. It's not the time to move when it is nighttime, and we would not also like to risk the lives of essential services people, especially those who will be doing the rescue to go out at night or to go out at the height of the cyclone or the flood to make the rescue, might as well heed the advice now. Do the necessary steps to secure yourself and secure your families and ensure that everybody is home safe. This is also the time that children would love to play in the rain and play in the wind. This is not the time for it. And you would advise parents, it's a good time that we spend our weekend with our children at home, with our family at home, make sure that everything is okay, and have an eye on the children, not to play outside in the flood, and especially those where they usually play on the drain, where it is flooded, and they slide down. We have had experiences in the past where people are being trapped in culverts, and we do not want to see that in this event that we are going through. So the very purpose of having this briefing is just to warn the nation and to alert the nation of what is coming before us. So it's either tonight, early tomorrow morning, or even Saturday, and definitely Sunday. We should now be on alert and be prepared for what is coming on this tropical cyclone Winston Category 4. Thank you.